Welcome to World Catastrophes, the go-to channel for extreme natural events that are devastating our planet. Today, we bring you some extraordinary and unprecedented news. A snowstorm is hitting Florida and other southern states of the United States, causing an emergency in 7 states. The alert was launched by the main meteorological centers of the United States. A polar air mass is pushing south, bringing snow, ice, and freezing winds to normally mild areas like Florida. Authorities have declared states of emergency in Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, South Carolina, and Texas, preparing rescue teams and warning citizens. In Florida, the arrival of snow has taken many by surprise. People who are used to tropical temperatures are having a hard time adapting to these extreme conditions. A local citizen interviewed replied, "We have never seen anything like this. Schools are closed and many roads are blocked. We are not prepared for a snowfall." Many have stormed supermarkets to stock up on basic necessities, with many areas already experiencing shortages. Ice and snow have paralyzed traffic. Many road accidents have been reported, and authorities are urging people not to travel unless absolutely necessary. More than 500,000 people are left without electricity. Maintenance crews are working tirelessly to restore services, but harsh conditions are slowing operations. This extraordinary event raises questions about climate change. Experts point out that rising global temperatures could be responsible for increasingly extreme and unpredictable weather events. These events are not random. The combination of changes in weather patterns and abnormal ocean temperatures favors extreme phenomena, even in unusual regions. Thank you so much for following us. We will continue to follow this and other emergencies around the world closely. Leave a like to support us and let us know you want more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.